Alright guys, what's up? So today I'm going to prank Nate, my boyfriend, once again. I feel so bad doing this one because it's actually so evil, but I got a recommendation from you guys on Instagram, so let me just give you guys the proof real quick. So Bianca Tejada is the one that said this. So she DM'd me saying, try this to your boyfriend. So basically it's a new challenge and you say, come over, my boyfriend's not here. So I'm gonna text that to Nate and he's gonna be like, this one's really bad. So I'm still like on the verge, but I asked my friends, I asked my very close friends, I was like, should I do it? And they're like, yes. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so I'm going to screen record my screen and we're just gonna do it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Ah! I'm getting goosebumps. I am so scared. Okay, the thing is, he literally just left. He went to go get some video game like maybe an hour ago. So he's gonna believe this so hard, I think, but at the same time I feel like he won't believe it because like, you know, it's 50-50. You can come over now. My boyfriend's not here anymore. Oh my god, I'm scared. No, I can't do this. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. I can't do this. I feel like he's gonna FaceTime me or something. So, I literally can't do this. Oh my goodness. You can come over now. My boyfriend's not here anymore. I am so stressed. Oh my god, I just sent it. I just sent it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, I just sent it. What? I'm so nervous. Oh my god, I just sent it. I can't look at it. I cannot. I'm gonna flip my phone over. Oh my gosh, wait, I need it. I'm gonna turn on my ringer so I know when he texts me. Oh my god, my heartbeat is through the roof. My heartbeat is through the roof. When is he gonna type? He takes a very long time to reply. Like, he's not like a super quick replier, so. Oh my gosh, I have chills. He's not gonna reply for a long time, so that's great. I really hope that he's on his phone. Oh my god, he's replying. Oh my god, I can't. Guys, I can't. He just replied saying, what? Oh my god, how do I reply? I'm so embarrassed because this isn't even real. Wait, should I just like not reply for like a minute? Oh my god, he's replying again. Oh my god! He just replied saying hello. And that's how you know. Oh my god, he's typing again. Oh my god. He just sent ... Okay, so he said, what? And then after, like, literally seconds after, hello. Oh my god, he's typing again. I'm shaking, guys. Okay, he's replying again. Oh my god, what is he saying? I can't believe I said that. Who was that to? He's believing it, guys. He's literally believing it. He said, who was that to? Okay. Whoever told me to do this prank is so evil. He's gonna watch this prank and be like, are you serious? He's gonna give me back so good, I already know. He's FaceTiming me, guys. I think the screen recorder went off. He's literally FaceTiming me right now. Oh my goodness, should I decline it? I'm gonna decline. I declined it. Oh my goodness, he's gonna get sad. So he just replied right now. He said, dude. Oh my god, he's typing again. You just ignored my FaceTime question mark. He's typing again. I can't. This is the most stressful prank I've ever done. I feel so bad for doing this. Was that to a girlfriend or something? Darn, is he catching on? Fudge. I don't know what to say. Like, there's really nothing else to say. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. He's FaceTiming me again. What do I do to make it seem... Oh my god, he just declined it. I mean, he just ended it. I don't know how to continue this. I should have thought this through. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore. I guess it's just a waiting game from here. Why isn't he saying anything? He's typing. He said, I'm so confused. Oh my god, he's typing again. I guess I just have to not reply. Was that to another guy? Oh my goodness. Baby, I'm so sorry. I know you're watching this right now and I'm so sorry. He said hello. This was so perfect that he literally left like an hour ago because this is so believable because, I mean, it's kind of like, hey, come over, he's gone. Would not do that though, but it's just like, you know. He's typing again. Oh, oh my god, this is making me so nervous. I think he's like starting to believe it now, which is sad because Nate, why would I do that? So you're just not going to answer? LOL. I think he's gonna try to FaceTime me one more time maybe. He said OMG. Oh my god, I really hope he's okay. I really want to know how he's feeling right now because I feel so terrible. Like, I kind of just want to tell him like I'm kidding, but then that would ruin the prank. Oh my gosh, he's typing again. Fudge. Because I know you wouldn't cheat on me. ... Okay, the ... dots makes it seem a little suspicious. Kind of like he's kind of like going back and forth like, would you? He said, would you? Okay, this is... Again. He's literally going after and after and after and after text. I'm literally contemplating coming back over. Dude, OMG. Hello? Oh my god, no, stop. What if he literally came back over? That would be the best thing for the prank, but that would be so messed up on my part to do that to him. I want to think that this is a prank, but then the other half is like, what if this isn't a prank? This isn't even a joke anymore, like I'm serious. Okay, I'm gonna keep it going like for just a tiny bit longer, like maybe just a minute. Cause okay, I'm gonna decline it. Oh my god, I just declined it. I'm declining the calls right now. Oh my. I'm not gonna make him come over. That is so messed up. Okay, this like went south. He's replying. Oh my goodness, this is so bad. I'm gonna be sick to my stomach. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna call him back. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. He said he's gonna be sick to his stomach. He's replying saying something else. I don't even know what to say. Oh my god. Okay, this isn't even a joke anymore. I need to call him and tell him it's a joke. Because I'm about to drive over because you aren't answering. It would be so bad if I made him come over here. Like that's not gonna happen. That's a waste of gas, so. Oh my gosh, can he just call me one more time? He's gonna be so mad. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, he put a sad face. Aidette, exclamation mark. Oh my god, I feel really bad. I don't know if I should call him or if I should wait for him to call me. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna act really suspicious. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah?
Why are you not answering me? Why did you send that message?
What message?
Aidette, the message that says, you can come over now, my boyfriend's not here anymore? Like, what the fuck is that?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
No, it's a prank, it's a prank. I'm sorry, baby. Oh my gosh, he hung up on me. Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't, like, I know it got too much. That's why I was waiting for you to call me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to, like, make y'all scared like that. It was just
I don't even know what to say. Like, that was... I just don't know what to say. You got me.
It wasn't even my idea. It was, like, literally a follower that told me. But
I was, like, hoping to God that you weren't, but then you weren't answering me back, and you weren't answering my FaceTime, so I was like, surely she would never cheat on me, but I just was like, I had no idea. I'm literally sitting over here in line, like, what the heck? Like, during this whole prank, like, I literally wanted to cry. I was like, I can't believe, like, he's actually believing this. Okay, well, Lily thought I was gonna throw up for a second.
Oh,
my stomach dropped.
That means you actually care.
Of course.
Oh, I know you care, but, like, you know.
Like, my stomach literally dropped. I was fucking in the line, and I was just like, what?
I thought you were home.
No, I've been sitting in line forever. I'm definitely happy it was a prank. A part of me did think it was a prank, but then I was just like, okay, you were playing it really well by just not answering me, and I'm over here playing mind games with myself. Like, there's no way, but then you just don't know. There's like no way to figure out if that was a prank or not, and I was just over here like, I was freaking out because I had no way of knowing. Sad.
Yeah, I want to hug now. I'm so sad.
I was about to come over there. I was like, bruh.
Nate, you're mad at me, aren't you?
I'm not mad at you.
You promise?
I promise.
Nate!
Maybe I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Like, when I saw that message, my stuff, everything dropped. I was like, My jaw dropped. The prank wars is on.
Oh, the prank wars is on?
That's all I'm saying. I'm over there in line, just like, I can't even like do anything. I'm over here, it's hot in there. I'm having like a panic attack, low-key. And I was just like what? Like, texting you non-stop, looking around, like, I had to whooping my ass on prank wars. Prank wars is really on.
Thank you guys so much for watching this super stressful video. I regret this 100,000%. This was the worst video I've ever filmed, but for your guys' entertainment, I guess. Guys, here I am. Literally drove to Nate's house because I feel this bad. So, yeah, literally going to his house to say sorry and give him a hug. Hello.
Hi.
I'm sorry.
So I have a question. What else are you doing when you're not tormenting your boyfriend?
Oh my gosh. You know I wouldn't do that to you. I'm sorry.